going on, y'all? Robert Sykes coming at you with another Keto Savage Kitchen episode, accompanied by my beautiful bride,
Crystal Sykes.
Crystal Sykes. We got a tongue twister of a recipe for you today. There's more words in this ingredient recipe than there are ingredients. It is the Buffalo Bacon Burger Bites. You can make them barbecue Buffalo Bacon Burger Bites if you want to. All right, what we got here, babe?
Okay, so we have 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef, 3 ounces of cheese cut into 12 little slices, and then we have 1 package of the Peterson Farms bacon. There is 12 slices here. Then we got some toothpicks. You are gonna need some of those. We are using Noble Made Classic Buffalo Seasoning. You can use your favorite buffalo seasoning. It doesn't have to be this one particularly, but we saw this and it looked delicious. We're also gonna use some Redmond real salt, and then I already sprayed our little pan with this duck fat. So, you ready to get started?
I feel I'm gonna get my hands dirty.
You are gonna get your hands dirty.
All
Okay,
right.
so we're gonna take this 1 pound, we'll just scoot that off to the side. We're gonna take this 1 pound of ground beef and add our seasonings to it, and then mix it up real nice and well. Ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's enough salt.
Enough
Holy
salt.
moly.
Holy moly.
We're gonna put salty bacon on the outside of this.
Again?
Yeah, I'll just let you do that, and I'll add a little bit more.
Okay.
Add a little bit more of this.
Some more buffalo.
How's that?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. So what we're gonna wanna do next is, once the seasonings are all mixed in, you're gonna wanna separate it into about 12 servings. And we're going to wrap the ground beef around each cheese chunk.
It does smell good.
Try to make them about the same size.
I tend to go a little too big on some of this stuff.
Robert gets real excited about his food.
Yeah. Your balls are bigger than my balls, babe.
Robert. And it's okay if the meat touches the cheese, because it's all gonna be baked together anyways. All right, gonna move that bowl off to the side there. So now what we're gonna wanna do is just, you can kind of open up these little balls and put the cheese on the inside. Try to cover it the best that you can. The cheese is probably going to leak out, but you're really gonna want just a chunk in each one, in the middle of each one.
Do we wrap them in bacon?
You can either do it now, or you can just wrap them all and put them all in the cheese and then wrap them.
I like the idea of wrapping them as I go.
So you can see that you can't see any cheese on the outside of this. And then I guess we're gonna wrap it as we go. And we do have these toothpicks. You can poke it through, and you don't have to use, if you like your bacon like super crispy, I would probably just use half of a piece of bacon and just wrap it one time around. The more you wrap it, the more the inside bacon is going to be a little bit softer, more chewy. So if you're going for just not so crispy, then try that. I think I'm gonna try and wrap it this way, both directions.
It's a thick piece of bacon here.
Should look nice and cute like that.
Yeah, mine's not near as cute as yours.
I know, you gotta, I think, so Robert has been wrapping it like this, and that's fine if you like the softer bacon, but I like mine to be crispy, so I'm just gonna do it all the way around like that. So now that those are all rolled up and ready to rumble, we're gonna stick those in the oven at 350 degrees.
And we're back, ladies and gents. This bad boy was baking for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and then we took them out, put them on a baking sheet, and broiled it for the last 5 minutes to get a nice little crispiness going on there. There was a lot of grease that cooks out, so that's kind of what you gotta expect with anything that you're baking with bacon. So that's gonna skew the fat macros a bit, but
if you're making this for yourself or something like a meal prep or something like that, what I would do with the extra grease is actually pour it into like a bone broth drink, and it's delicious. It's gonna be nice and salty. But make sure that if you are using this in your macros, that you are using the oils that does cook out.
Yes. All right. Let's dive into this beauty.
It's gonna be super hot.
Make sure you take the toothpicks out before you dive in, or else you're gonna have a rude awakening.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna take this little.
You going for that one?
Yep.
Probably still too hot, but we're too excited to wait. Mm-hmm. It's pretty good. Super easy.
Yeah, super good actually.
Super tasty. And
wow, that's really good.
yeah.
The buffalo powder. The buffalo seasoning is delicious on it. It tastes so good. There's a little bit of seasoning sprinkled on the top, and it makes a whole world of difference.
So, to get the complete breakdown on this recipe, the macros, the ingredients, the step by step, check out the website ketosavage.com. Go to the Keto Savage Kitchen section, and we'll see you next time.